What's up, my environmentalist? I haven't done a video like this in a while. I'm sorry, been busy with college, but hey, it's summer and I'll be back bringing you guys more gardening and plant and sustainable videos. So right now I'm actually outside in a garden plot, and this yellow spiral is just staked into the ground, but this is cucumbers. I planted this about a week ago on Thursday. Right over there, these lines are lettuce. And right here, I got some, right over here is going to be some miscellaneous stuff. I just had some regular seeds. There should be some sugar snap peas sprouting up here soon. Maybe, oh, hey, look, there's a little guy right there. Little guy, I don't know what that's going to be, but there's a little guy just coming up. Oh, there's another one right there. And if you're looking at this, there is netting here just so the critters don't, come up in here and munch on all the stuff while I'm not here. But, yeah, I'll take you around. I wrote this down. I have to figure out where I wrote it all down at. But, yeah, there should be... Oh, yeah, this is going to be this crazy-looking broccoli I planted. Striss and I were, I think, planting it together. Oh, look, a little spider. What's up, little guy? Oh, where'd he go? Is that an ant? Maybe it should be an ant. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, he's just crawling around in there. I'll leave him alone. Oh, cool. There's, I don't remember what I put back there, but it's going to be awesome. There should be some purple basil over here. Here's the lettuce. Here's the broccoli. Oh, yeah, parsley. I put parsley back here. So I think that's what that is. Oh, look, I just flew away. And that just has some water in it. But, yeah, so we're coming along finally with this garden. Really excited. If you hear a jingle, that's Sky in the background. Sky! Is that Sky? What you doing, Sky? She's looking for chipmunks under there. We used to have a chipmunk problem. But, yeah, she's just enjoying being outside. Oh, yeah, but there's a bunch of places around here. Yeah, and they all have this really cool greenery going around. I love it over here. And then one of our neighbors actually has solar-powered, I think right over here, solar-powered lights. So, yeah, we had a really good conversation about that. But you know what, guys? I will see you later. Like I said, sorry for being away for so long. Had some college stuff to do, but now I'm back for the summer. Hopefully, we're going to get, some sunshine because it's kind of not sunny out here at the moment. But, we'll try and make do with what we have. All right, peace out, guys.